Confirming na cream. Yes po, everyone. Ayun, girl, okay. Yes po, same lang yan sila. Kaso nga lang, sa sobrang dami ng gumagaya ng Salodent natin, we upgrade into, ayan, okay, with hydrolyzed collagen. Ayan, girl, okay, girls. With hydrolyzed collagen na siya, darling. And then, see the packaging. See the different, ayan, girl, okay, ng old version natin. Ayan na, see the difference between this two one. Ayan, sa amin rin to, pero we change it to this one. Ayan, girl, tapos we have our hydrolyzed collagen, everyone. Ito, arbutin, glutathione, nicotinamide. Ito naman, arbutin, glutathione, nicotinamide, and then hydrolyzed extract. Hydrolyzed extract. Ayan, everyone, na girl, okay, girls, go grab that and check out. Ayan, everybody, oh, girls, okay, girl. Again, number 1 natin, everyone. Sino pa yung mga darling pinakamaganda? Ayan, everybody, oh, girl, okay, girls. Go, habol, don't check on na tayo last 3 minutes. Ayan, everybody, oh, girl, okay, girls. Habol, don't check out na tayo for number 1 natin, everyone. Ayan, girl, okay, 72 viewers out there, last 4 orders. Last 2 minutes left to go. Sino dito yung mga bagong pasok ko na viewers out there and then gusto talaga mag-check out for number 1 natin? Okay, girls, can help you to hydrate your skin, to lighten up your skin. Everyone, pull us, darling. Approve tayo. Ayan, everyone, na girl, okay, girls. Again, item number 1 natin, girls. Ayan, girl, okay, mag-check out ka na. Last 4 orders. $42 serum, wait lang. Girl, every morning. Ayan, mag-apply ka ng serum sa skin mo, darling, every morning. Ayan, guys, okay, go grab, don't check out na tayo. Ayan, everybody, oh, girls, okay? Habol, don't check out na tayo, girls. If magda-don't check out kayo, everyone, make sure nyo na i-check out yung talaga agad, ah. Paihihinga lang. Ayan, everyone, na girl, okay, girls? Again, item number 1 natin, everyone. Mag-comment, mag-check out na kayo, girl. Ayan, everybody, oh, girl, okay, girls? Ayan, everyone, oh, girl, okay, 75 viewers out there, girl, last 4 minutes. 139, yes. 139, item number 1 natin, girls. Mag-comment and don't check out, lahat na mag-check out. 2 to 3 days, ayan, girl, okay? And then, 5 to 7 days naman, darling, outside Metro Manila, girls, before you will. Merong lotion na pwede sa arawan. Lahat yan pwede sa arawan. Ni ka bawas ilagay sa mukha. Ayan na, 78 viewers out there, girl. Last 8 minutes left to go. Ayan, girl, okay, girls. Go, habol, don't check out. And then, guys, kailangan na kapag check out na kayo, bigyan nyo pa ako ng Last 4 orders. 4 na order everyone sa lahat ng habol. Ayan, girl, okay? Sa mga hindi pa nakapag-checkout, sa mag-checkout na mo. Kahit kung di mo mag-checkout, labog ko ni. Ayan, everyone na girl, okay, girls? Yabuhon ko man ni Oy. Ayan, girl, okay? Go grab, done, checkout. Last 4 orders left to go, everyone, ha? Nawiwiwi na ako, ma'am. Ano ba? Kaya ko ba to? Ayan, everyone, na girl, okay, girls. Habol, done, check out na natin, everyone. Number 1, 64 viewers out there. Kailangan pa ng 3 order. Ayan, girl, okay, girl. Last 3 orders left to go. Sa lahat ng habol, magdo-done, check out, everyone. I-go grab mo na to. Girl, okay, girls, last 7 minutes. Uy, na ako. 7 minutes left to go, everyone. Sa lahat ng habol, darling. Mag-comment and done, check out. Lahat na mag-check out. Ang bawat pagtakbo. Ayan, Kate, Don, check out. Thank you so much, darling, for Don checking out. Last 7 minutes. Malubat na ako. Uwi pa ako ng bahay. Ayan, everyone, na girl, okay, girls? Item number 1 natin, everyone. Sa mga hindi pa nakapag-checkout dyan, everybody, grab nyo na to, check-out nyo na yan, girl. Habang andito pa ako, girl. Maya-maya, girls, tatayo na ako. Papansin mo malayo. Ayan, I have 139 po, 3 lotion, isa lang po. Pink lang po, darling. Ayan, everyone na girl, okay? Lahat na mag-checkout, everyone, mag-comment and doon checkout. Ang dami sa taruga ng laga. Sa puso't isip, mga bait. Ayan, everyone, na last 5 minutes. Ayan, everyone, na girl, okay, girls? Habol, done, check out na natin. Last 5 minutes left to go, everyone. Sa lahat ng habol, mag-done, check out, everybody. Ayan, girl, okay, mag-hoard ka na ngayon na. Done, Elms. Ayaw mo ba ako paiin? Please. Bless, bless, bless.
Flash, flash, flash. Dan, check out si Mami Ants. Okay. Sino pang hahabol? Sino pang mag-check out? Okay? Sino pang hahabol? Sino pang mag-check out? Gilis habol, check out yun na yan. What you see is what you really get. Ano ba yung bakit may hiwa yung mga ano-ano ko dito? Sino pa po nga habol, girls, ha? Ito, mami ko, yung ating pink, mami ko, meron na siyang 6 na pirasong palibre. Okay, meron na siyang 6 na pirasong palibre. Go na, girls, habol, i-check out. What you see is what you get. Done. Check out si Mami Jerlyn. Okay, Mami ko, you got the best price. Sige, lilista kita sa ating priority ship out. Si Mami Jerlyn. Ayan, si Mami Jerlyn. I-check out nyo na yan. Last 2 orders tayo. Last 2 orders tayo. Mami ko, make it sure po na naka-follow at nakapag-share ng live reels para syempre kasama kayo sa ating priority ship out. Ayan. Go guys, habol. Sino pa pong habol at mag-check out last? 1 order na lang, girlies. Last 1 order na lang, girlies. Make it sure lahat makapag-check out tayo. What you see is what you get tayo, ha? Yes, girls, if you are asking if we are FDA approved, yes po, FDA approved po tayo, okay? I-check out nyo na yun, sister, para po hindi nyo na maabutan yung price increase. If you are looking this, mami ko, sa mga leading drugstore, yes, we have at Landmark, sister ko, and Watson, sister. But, sister ko, 299 single price only. Pero meron din po tayong bundle, 299, dalawang peraso na. Girls, usually, mas mura talaga kapag sa live kayo nag-check out. Bakit? Kasi kapag sa mga leading drugstore, syempre nagbabayad sila ng renta, ng pwesto, 'di ba? Nagbabayad sila ng mga pwesto. Kaya sobrang mahal talaga, girls, ha. I-check out nyo na yan, girls. Last 2 orders tayo. Para later, mami ko, ano na lang natin, ipa-priority pack na lang po natin, okay? Ipa-priority pack, priority ship out, limited stock, limited time, offer only na lang po tayo, okay? Limited stock, limited time, offer only.
Besh, binagyo ba dun sa kusina?
Bakit?
Ang dumi. Suffer. Suffer ka. Ayaw ka dumi, ha? Ayan, everyone. Na girl, okay, girls. Go grab done. Check out na tayo, everyone. Sa mga hindi pa nakapag-check out dyan, I give you hanggang, ayan, 10:30. Until, kakabalik ko na. Ayan, girl, okay. Hanggang 10:30, everyone. Bigyan nyo pa ako, girl, ng last 2 orders. 2 order, everyone. Sa lahat ng habol, everyone. Ayan, girl, okay. Kailangan, girls, ngayon pa lang, darling ko, na-check out nyo na to. 2 to 3 days within Metro Manila, you will receive your order. And 5 to 7 days naman, darling, outside Metro Manila, guys, once na mag-receive ka ng order mo, ha? Ayan, girl, ilang order na lang tayo. I give you another. Ayan, girl, okay, another 1 minute. Sino dito, guys? Yung mga bagong pasok ko na viewers out there. And then, gusto talaga mag-check out for 1 natin. How much po? 139. Okay? I don't know. Ayan, everyone. No, girl, okay, girls. Go grab, don't check out na everyone. Sa mga gusto pang umabol dyan, gusto mag-check out everybody, directly check out na tayo dyan agad, everyone, ha? Ayan, girl, okay? Sino dito? Alin po yung mabango dyan na lotion? Lahat po yan mabango, darling. Depende na lang kung anong scent yung gusto mo. Ayan, girl, okay? Depende kung anong scent yung gusto mo, darling ko. Arinola kaayo. Ayan, girl, okay, girls? Go na tayo, mag-check out na kayo dyan, everyone, sa lahat na hindi pa nakahabol. Iba na tinatrabaho neto, ah. Ayan, girl, okay? Mag-comment and done check out. Ayan, okay. Ano ka lang, mag-refresh ka lang. Refresh mo lang sa darling. Kapag wala kayong makita, darling, na basket, just refresh your account. Everyone, then balik ulit sa TikTok. Ayan, everyone, no, girl, okay? Sa mga hindi pa po nakahabol, may SPF po ba yung pink? Wala, si yellow lang. Ayan, girl, ay, yellow, ano, tuloy yellow, tuloy sa akin, blue. Ayan, girl, okay, blue lang po yung may SPF, darling ko. Go, habol, don't check out na natin. Ayan, everybody, girl, okay? Habol, i-grab, i-check on na natin. Item number 1 natin, everyone. Kailangan, girls, ngayon pa lang check out nyo na yung 1 ko, ha? Sige. Ayan, everyone, na girl. Okay, girls? Again, item number 1 natin, everyone. If magda-don checkout kayo ngayong araw, you need to comment talaga ng don checkout. 500 ml Siemens sila lahat. Lahat yan, everyone, 500 ml. Okay, so if nag-hesitate ka na mag-checkout, huwag kang mag-hesitate, everyone. Again, for number 1 natin, okay? Sa mga gusto pang umabol, gusto mag-checkout, everyone, ngayong araw, girl, comment down below doon, checkout na tayo. May babayaran for shipping fee, wala. 2 to 3 days within Metro Manila. Pwede mo na ma-receive yung order mo, and then 5 to 7 days naman outside Metro Manila before you will receive your order. ₱85 viewers out there. Item number 1 natin, everyone. Sa mga gusto pang umabol dyan, gusto mag-checkout, everyone, make sure you finish your order na, darling. Okay, eto girl, magkano na lang to? 139 na lang siya, darling. Don checkout Hashi. Thank you so much. Ayan, everybody, a girl, okay, girls? Again, item number 1 natin, Christian Don checkout. Ayan, thank you so much, Christian, for Don checking out of our item number 1, girl. Ayan, everybody, sa mga gusto pang umabol, ayan, gusto mag-checkout nyo yung araw, girls, do Don checkout na. I-grab yung checkout nyo na agad, number 1 natin, girls. 2 to 3 days lang before you will receive your order within Metro Manila. And then 5 to 7 days naman, darling, outside Metro Manila, girl, before you will receive your order na. Ayan, everybody, girl, okay? 76 viewers out there, girl. Last 2 orders. Nakailang bili na ako na din ako, wow, diba? Ayan, girl, okay? Grabe kasi talaga yung ganda talaga ng lotion natin, everyone. Wala kasi siyang tapon. Tapos, girl, sobrang bango niya. Ayan, girl, okay? Very bango na ito, guys, once na ginamit natin. Ayan, everyone, ang last naman sa last 6 orders left to go. Ayan, everyone, girl, okay? Sa mga gusto pang umabol, darling ko, mag-comment and don't check out, everyone, para maya-maya, girls. Ayan, okay, isang bagsakan na lang tayo ng order. Ate, anong amoy ni color brown? Hindi siya brown, pink po. Ay, yellow po siya. Yung amoy niya, girl, more on flow. Ano siya, more on perfume. STO1? STO3. Ayan, everybody, girl, okay, girls? May vanilla scent po dyan. Wala. Ayan, girl, okay, pero we have more on floral scent. Ayan, everybody, girl, okay, girls? Habol na i-don check on natin item number 1 ko. Sa mga gusto pang umabol, everyone, last ilang orders tayo, I give you another... Ayan, girl, okay, another 2 orders left to go. Dalawang order na, everyone. Yung pink, more on floral siya. Okay, good evening, sis. Mabang pa yung yellow na yan. Yun yung ginamit. Yes, ayan, thank you sa seller, diba? Ayan, girl, okay. Magda-don checkout kay everyone. Much better talaga kung mag-ask talaga kayo kay seller kung ano yung mas bet nyo talaga, darling. Ayan, everyone, girl. Again, item number 1. Sa mga gusto pa pong umabol, gusto mag-checkout dyan, everybody, mag-comment ng don checkout, darling ko. Last 11 minutes tayo, everybody. I give you another. Ayan, okay. 4 minutes left to go. 4 na order, everyone, sa lahat ng habol. Ayan, and we got on checkout. Oh, ma'am, thank you so much. Go everyone sa lahat ng habol. Ayan, okay, Ronald, don't check out. Roldan pa lang. Ayan, everybody, okay, 86 viewers out there again for number 1 natin, girls. Ay, extend another 10 orders. 10 order everyone sa lahat ng habol para yung iba mag-get talaga nila ng napakamura. Again, 151 na lang si pink, ay si yellow natin. 139 naman si pink color natin. Blue, 151 na lang rin everybody. Okay, girls, last 2 minutes left to go. Ayan, everyone, na girl. Okay, again, item number 1 natin. Ma'am, basket number 1, meron pong SPF. Kapag gusto mo yung SPF, darling ko, ayan, girl, okay, go ka na kay color blue. Ayan, girl, okay, kung gusto mo yung SPF, go for blue color ka, darling. Tatanggalin ko lahat ng makeup ko. Bukas din akong makeup, bahala ka dyan. Ayan, everybody, oh girl, okay, girls. Again, item number 1 natin. Ayan, girl, okay, grab i-check out yun yan, girls. Limited stock, limited time, offer lang tayo for number 1 ko, darling, ha? Okay, once we ended our live, no more pa big discount na tayo. Gusto ko nang matulog. Ayan, everybody, oh girls. Again, item number 1. Sino pa dito yung mga hindi pa nakahabol? Hindi pa nakapag-check out for number 1 natin, everybody. Ayan, girl, okay. What you see is what you really get. 72 viewers out there. And then last, ilang orders tayo? I give you another. Ayan, girl, okay. Another 10 orders. Hanggang 10. Bagsak presyo na yon. Ayan, everyone, na girl, okay? Mag-comment and don't check out. Lahat na mag-check out, darling. Ayan, everybody, girls. Okay, again, ay, ano po yung lotion na nakapatay? Pink po. Ayan, girl, okay. Go for pink color tayo, darling. Once ay na-feel mo si pink natin, lightweight lang talaga siya, darling ko, ha? Okay, and then very mabango siya. Ayan, everyone, girl. Okay, go habol. I-grab it. Check on na natin, girls. If magda-don check out kayo ngayong araw, girl. Ayan, okay, go for pink color. Nakakapagpaputi. Hanggang 11 lang pala ako. Wala, Vocas. Bahala ka talaga. Ayan, everyone, girl. Okay, again, item number 1 natin, guys. Magda-don checkout kayo, darling. Ayan, girl. Okay, i-grab nyo na to agad-agad, girl. Para mamaya, girls, isahang bagsakan na lang tayo ng order. Ayan, everyone, girl. Okay, girls. Again, item number 1 natin. Sa mga gusto pang umabol, ayan, girl. Okay, last 10 orders left to go. Ayan, everyone, girl. Okay, girl. 139 si pink, 151 naman si yellow and blue. With FREE, darling, we have a lot of FREE sa lahat ng mag-check out. Okay, guys. Ano bukas? Linggo na tomorrow. Ayan, everybody, girl. Okay, girls. Haboli, grab, i-check out din natin item number 1, girl. Okay, 76 viewers out there, girl. I give you another 10 orders. Sample order, everyone, sa lahat ng habol. Meron pa ba dito mga gusto mag-check out, everyone, for this bundle? Hala, si Sina, ayaw niya matigil. Ayan, girl. Okay, last 8 minutes left to go. Last 10 orders left to go, everyone. Ayan, girl. Okay, kailangan nakapag-check out na kayo, girl. #83 viewers out there, girl. Again, number 1 natin, nakakapagpaputi, nakaka-moisturize, nakaka-hydrate ng balat. Plus, darling ko, approved tayo, girl. Yes, darling, approved tayo. Meron tayo sa Watson. And then, Landmark, everyone. And then, 299 siya doon. Pero dito sa live, 139, darling. Ayan, everyone na, girl. Okay, girls. Item number 1 natin, paunahan, pabilisan tayo dyan. Sino dito, yung mga bagong pasok ko na viewers out there, and ang gusto mag-check out for number 1 ng 139 pesos? Sorry. Ayan, everyone na, girl. Okay, with FRE na siya, darling. Once na check out mo, everybody. Okay, anong kulay yon? Kulay yellow. Ayan, girl. Okay, color yellow siya, darling ko. Habali, doon, check out natin. Item number 1, last 7 minutes. 151 pa rin ba siya? Yes, naka 151, everyone. Item number 1. Ayan, okay, blue and yellow natin. And then, kapag tatlo, 418 na lang.